Hello, welcome to Advanced Driving Tuition. This road is part of your driving test. So when you come around here, you need to drive very slowly because the road is very busy. Cars parked on the left, car parked on the right. So this is where examiner will ask you, carry on straight please. So what normally happens, students fail to see this give way sign and marking on the road because of the too much things happening on the road, and so they will go straight out, which will become a straight fail in the test for no stopping at the junction. So when you stop, look right, look especially on the left hand side to make sure no one's coming, and then we go straight across. So when you go around here, so you get instruction again. I would like you to go, which is a roundabout coming up, so they will ask you to go straight at the roundabout. So obviously the straight will be on this roundabout, just a straight ahead, which is the second exit. Most of the time when you come around here, there'll be cars parked on the left hand side, right hand side, they will block your view. This time is clear, so I can see there's a car coming, but it's a bit far, so I'm okay to go straight to my side of the road, passing the first exit, signal, and we join the road there. When we join the new road, look in the center mirror, look in the right mirror, and